Racing Giants is started with Kaiserslautern. Break quickly at the start. Nemesis moving upon the outside of the Mabzoy. Then followed over by Karapatan. Game Changer. Comes next King Bull. Matang Tubig. Market Value Arangke. Comes next Yellow Citizen. Then next online is a 5-star. Little by Little Racing. Second last while Chevron is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. Racing down the back stretch. We have Nemesis moving upon the outside is Karapatan. Mabsoy is racing in third and in fourth. Now is a King Bull. Next online now is a Game Changer. Kaiserslautern Matang Tubig. Comes next Arang.
Numero 1, Kaiserslautern, ang official winner dito sa ating race number 9. Segundo, numero 5, King Bull. Tercero, numero 8, Mabsoy.